So today we are going with the atomic structure. To understand the atomic structure, we need to know what is atom first. So atom is the smallest particle, or even we can say like smallest unit of chemical element, is also known as like atomic structure, like atom. Okay, so like our atom is having, like it is divided into three parts, or like we can say it is having three like types. So if we make the shell, so the one who revolves around the orbit, that's known as electron. And inside, this is the nucleus. So inside the nucleus we are having proton and neutron. Proton and neutron. So these are the like types of the atom. And atom is the smallest particle or smallest unit of a chemical element. It is having three parts: electron, proton and neutron. So the one which revolves around the like orbits, that's known electron, and the more like two more which are present in the nucleus, that is proton and neutron. So this was the atom. Now if you move further to to find the atomic number and atomic mass, atomic number and atomic mass. So how even we can find the atomic number and atomic mass? So number of proton is known as this atomic number. So number of proton is known as atomic number. And what about atomic mass? That is number of sum of proton plus neutron is called atomic mass. Like how we can find like that? So even if we will add directly like number of a proton, so the proton which are present in a shell, that if we'll count that, so here we can get the atomic number. But we will not get atomic mass by like that. We need to add first like sum of proton plus neutron. So this means we need to add proton plus neutron to like find the atomic mass. So atomic number, atomic mass and atom. So now when we are having two other terms, which is duplet and octet. So now what are these both terms? Like to complete two electrons in outermost shell. We see duplet. Like we are having one orbit. In this, like when they will be having two electrons, so this means this is duplet. This means like they was like this whole, or like this required to complete two electrons, and they just get it, like they are having. So this means duplet is completed. But what is in octet? It is like complete 8 electrons. 8 electrons. How? If we see here, we are making, so in first one we are having two. This means this is this first one is this one duplet. And if we talk about the second one, this means to complete it second one orbit, they required 8 electrons. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this means this is completed like 8. So that's the reason that is octet and duplet. So now what was in a duplet? To completely, it's like outermost shell with the 2 electrons is known as duplet, and to complete with the 8 electrons is known as octet. So this was the terms duplet and octet, and these were atomic number. Like number of proton is known as atomic number, and atomic mass is the number of sum of proton plus neutron is atomic mass, and atom is like smallest particle or smallest unit. So atomic structure is like this. This is also known as atomic structure. And if we talk about the subshells, even shells, these are the shells. But even we talk about the subshells, so these are furthermore divided into subshells. How? Like 1 2, even like these shells are known as KLMN. Like first one is K, second L, third M, fourth N. But even the what would be subshells, or like, so first one is known as S, second one is SP, third one is SPD, and fourth one is SPDF. So these mean these are the subshells. But here we are studying physics, like when this is in our physics chapter number 20 or something, so we don't need to study this, but I have given you a basic concept. So this was the atomic structure, the basic terms which are present in our book. So thank you for watching.